Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to attach TikTok Shop product to video. So first thing you're going to need to do is go to your profile and tap on that three horizontal lines and then go to settings and privacy. From here, just go ahead and tap on account and then make sure to switch your account to business account. So just tap on this one. And now you're all set. So that means that you can add products on your video. So next thing to do is tap on that plus sign and then post something. You can post videos about the products that you're promoting. So just pick the video. And from here, before you can post the video, you can see this add link. So you can go ahead and tap on add product. It will show. And then you can just go ahead and search for the product that you're trying to promote. And that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!